This video is about finding the partial sum of a geometric series, and there's a formula to do that, but first let's go a little bit into a reminder about what a geometric series is. So the specific example we're going to consider is 48, 72, 108, 162. Initially, it just looks like some list of numbers, and we might think that we could add the same amount each time to get from the first to the second and then the second to the third. So let's check that out. 72 minus 48 is 24. So it looks like we might be able to jump from term to term to term to term by adding 24. But if we try that for the second term, 108 minus 72 is 36, and we see that we'd have to this time add 36 to get from the second to the third term. So what that tells us is that this is not an arithmetic series. So another thing that we should probably try is to check out and see if this is a geometric series. Obviously it is, because that's the intent of this problem, to explore geometric. But the way to check that out is to take second term divided by first term. See what you get. 1.5. Take third term divided by second term. Also 1.5. Take third term divided by second term, still 1.5. That means that this fits the pattern of a geometric sequence. 48 times 1.5 is 72. 72 times 1.5 is 108, and 108 times 1.5 is 162. Now let's get to the actual intent of this video. So what we're looking for is the sum of the first 16 terms of this geometric sequence, and there's a formula for doing that. Here it is. S sub n equals T1 times fraction 1 minus r to the n divided by 1 minus r. Now let's go back over to these numbers and decide what these specific symbols mean. T1, that's easy. That's 48. T1, 48. The number that you multiply by each time, that 1.5, that's called the common ratio. R equals 1.5. And the number of terms that we want to add together in doing this problem, right there, that's the n value. N is 16. And so what we want to do is we want to find this sum through the 16th term. S sub 16 equals T1. T1 happens to be 48 times fraction 1 minus 1.5 raised to the 16th divided by 1 minus 1.5. It would be a good idea to put some parentheses right here and right here, so that when you do the calculation on the calculator, you'll follow order of operations correctly. So I've put the calculator up to be able to help you follow this calculation more properly. Right here, outlined in yellow, is the expression we're going to type into the calculator. So here we go. 48 times parentheses 1 minus 1.5 raised to the 16th, end parentheses to signify the end of the numerator. I have a little bit of trouble getting that into the calculator properly. Divided by parentheses 1 minus 1.5. And here we go. There's the value, 62,960.72021.